Passive income ideas for 2024. Secure your financial future. Hey profitability pioneers! Ready to turn 2024 into your year of financial triumph? Buckle up because today, we're unraveling 3 game-changing methods to rake in a solid $10,000 every month. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Your journey to financial freedom starts right here. In this video, I'll share 3 effective methods to help you earn $10,000 monthly this year. Making the right choices is crucial, so let's dive into the first method. Addressing the decline of dropshipping. Is dropshipping a thing of the past? In my view, the model is declining, with a higher risk of failure. Choosing the right business model is essential. Despite dropshipping's challenges, the key in 2024 is leveraging free traffic sources like TikTok Reels and YouTube Shorts for product validation. What's the success rate of dropshipping? Well, the top players in the game estimate that only about 10 to 20% of dropshipping businesses actually succeed. But let me tell you, success is a term you define. It's in your hands. If your vision of success involves raking in a cool million annually with your dropshipping store, it might take a while. On the flip side, if breaking 6 figures is your goal, there are plenty of dropshippers pocketing $100,000 per year. The key? Finding reliable suppliers and crafting a brand that stands out. Now, dropshipping often gets painted as a get-rich-quick scheme. Spoiler alert, it's not. To witness success in dropshipping, you've got to roll up your sleeves, put in the hard work, and give it the time it needs to become a profitable venture. Ready for some dropshipping success stories? Take Tae-Hing Shen, the mastermind behind Subtle Asian Treats on Shopify. He made a sweet $19,000 in profit in just 2 months by dropshipping bubble tea plush toys. But here's the kicker. He didn't start with a success story. Chi navigated through failures, trying out phone cases, kitchenware, and martial arts products before hitting the jackpot with plush toys. His lessons? Choose a trending niche, build a pro store, and connect with your customers. Then there's Cole Turner, who went from dropshipping newbie to a $2 million empire in just over a year. His secret? Scaling Facebook ads, building a long-term brand, and delivering top-notch customer service. Oh, and did I mention he did it all before his 3rd dropshipping store? Andreas Koenig and Alexander Pekka. Their initial goal was to hit $1,000 per day. Sounds modest, right? After a year of struggle, they found their golden niche in the pet industry and now rake in over $10 million annually. Key lessons: choose a niche with emotional connections, master Facebook ads and organic marketing, and build solid relationships with your suppliers. Last but not least, meet Sarah and Audrey, 2 French e-commerce queens who hit the $1 million sales mark through influencer marketing. While the typical dropshipping route involves Facebook ads, they saw the potential in influencers and product placements, earning them over $1 million in just a few weeks during US lockdowns. Now, these are just a taste of what's possible in the world of dropshipping. Want to explore more success stories and strategies to make dropshipping work for you? Dive deep into the details by subscribing to Profitability Plus. Not a natural salesperson? No worries. High-ticket closing could be your ticket to success. Explore opportunities in solar companies, agencies, and software firms. Remote sales positions may have challenges in certain countries, but options abound in Australia and New Zealand. So, what exactly qualifies as high-ticket item? Think of it as the VIP section of commerce, those offerings adorned with substantial value or cost. Examples? Brace yourself for the elite list. Number 1. Lavish properties or hefty property loans. Number 2. Exquisite timepieces and opulent jewelry. Number 3. B2B consulting that commands attention. Number 4. Tailored done-for-you services. Number 5. 4-wheel dreams in the form of high-end vehicles. And number 6. To ascend the summit of success in high-ticket closing, you must adhere to a meticulous step-by-step system. This system not only pinpoints the right clientele for your offerings, but also orchestrates a sales process that stirs a compelling desire for them to make that high-stakes purchase. When it comes to lower-priced items, the buying decision is a breeze, little fuss, little emotional baggage. Now let's talk high-ticket. The stakes are higher. Discomfort lingers. The mental struggle between the joy of owning and the price tag is real. Buyers are driven by two things, the joy of getting and the pain of spending. Low-cost buys, joy rules, and spending is painless. But in the realm of high-ticket, it's a different game. A thoughtful, consultative sales approach is key. High-ticket closing isn't for the faint of heart. It needs finesse and a specific set of techniques. Ready to up your sales game? Let's dive into the world of high-ticket closing. Venturing into YouTube, ensure a good strategy. Vlog channels may not be as profitable, so focus on engaging content. Personal experiences show potential earnings from $2,000 to $100,000 monthly. Here's the lowdown. Companies provide affiliate marketers with unique links. You, the marketer, weave engaging content around these products and guide your audience to the links in your description box. Each sale through your unique link earns you a commission. No stringent eligibility criteria, no barriers. Anyone with a YouTube channel can dive into affiliate marketing. Expect to pocket around 5 to 30% of commission per sale. The key? Quality informative videos. Brands love content like how-to videos, product review videos, best-of videos, unboxing videos, vlogs. Boost your earnings by becoming an Amazon influencer, recommending and reviewing Amazon products. Amazon typically pays 8 to 10% commission. Pro tip: decent subscriber or view count on your channel helps. Harness your unique skills through online coaching. Whether it's health issues, data organization, or setting up smart systems, people and companies are willing to pay for your expertise. As we navigate the convergence of face-to-face and virtual sessions, here are practical tips to elevate your virtual coaching experience with Profitability Plus. Streamline the logistics. Set the stage for success by ensuring both you and your client inhabit distraction-free, private spaces. Optimize session timing by considering energy patterns. Conduct a connectivity check and fine-tune internet speed for seamless interactions. Ready yourself. Familiarize yourself with the chosen online platform. We favor Zoom for its reliability and feature richness. Test functionalities such as screen sharing and acquaint yourself with the platform's tools to ensure a smooth coaching experience. Prepare your coachee. Acknowledge that online coaching might seem daunting to some clients. Collaborate with them to understand their online experiences, providing guidance on platform usage. Encourage them to create an environment conducive to productive sessions. Navigate potential challenges. Anticipate and strategize for potential hiccups, from connectivity issues to external interruptions. Be adaptable, ready to switch to a telephone if needed, and implement focus-maintaining strategies to uphold confidentiality. Embrace presence. Craft a relaxed, connected atmosphere before each session. Share a brief contact before contract moment to align both you and your client with the right mindset for a productive coaching journey. Foster the right container. Guide the transition from a doing mode to a connected state. Prioritize reconnecting as human beings before delving into the coaching space, laying the foundation for an authentic and impactful session. Solidify the contract. Cover the session contract essentials and delve into Profitability Plus's customized online approach. Address nuances like managing interruptions, effectively using models online, and integrating creative techniques to amplify virtual coaching success. To sum it up, aim for a monthly income of $10,000, but don't limit yourself. Think creatively, explore new areas, and tap into the global talent pool. The key is providing the best service to your clients. And there you have it, Profitability Pioneers. 3 proven methods to make 10 grand in a month. If these strategies ignited that entrepreneurial fire within you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and join our Profitability Plus community. Together, let's conquer 2024 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay profitable.